Once you've created a few popcards, you'll manage everything from the popcard list view. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. This is the main page you'll see whenever you open popcards from the sidebar. Here, all your popcards are listed in one place, with quick tools that let you control, update, or clean things up anytime. Each popcard shows its name, purpose, where it appears on your site, its type, a visibility toggle, and action buttons. From this table, you can turn popcards on or off, preview how they look, edit their settings, duplicate them for reuse, or delete ones you no longer need. Let's start with visibility. To enable or disable a popcard, find it in the list and use the toggle under the visibility column. When the switch is on, the popcard is active and visible on your site. When it's off, the popcard is disabled. Each time you change the toggle, you'll see a confirmation so you know the update went through. It's a good habit to review which popcards are active, especially after promotions or seasonal campaigns, so visitors only see what's relevant. Next, let's preview a popcard. In the Actions column, click the Preview icon. A preview window will open, showing you exactly how the popcard will appear to your visitors. This is a great step to do before enabling a popcard or after making changes. You can check both desktop and mobile views to make sure everything looks clean, readable, and positioned the way you expect. If you need to make changes, click the Edit icon in the Actions column. This takes you back into the setup flow, starting from the Settings tab. From here, you can adjust anything: placement, behavior, design, or thank you settings. When you're done, just remember to click Save so your updates go live. If you want to reuse a popcard instead of starting from scratch, you can duplicate it. Click the duplicate icon and a copy will appear in your list with _copy added to the name. This is helpful when you're running similar campaigns or testing small variations. You can rename the copy and make a few tweaks to get it ready for your next use. And if you no longer need a popcard, you can delete it. Click the Delete icon in the Actions column, then confirm the action. Once deleted, the popcard is permanently removed. This helps keep your list clean and organized, especially after old promos or test popcards are no longer needed. That's how you manage your popcards from start to finish. With these tools, you're always in control of what shows on your site and when your visitors see it. For any questions or assistance, just click Get Help at the top right. Epic is here to support you every step of the way. And if you want a demo or need extra support, just email support@epicshops.com. We'd love to help you explore what's possible and help you sell more online.